Have you ever looked up at the night sky and marveled at the beauty of the Milky Way? Imagine a time in the distant future when that stunning view could fade away completely. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists believe that billions of years from now, our beloved galaxy might vanish from our sight altogether. How could this happen, and what would it mean for us? 1. Explanation of current state. Right now, the Milky Way is a stunning sight in our night sky, visible as a bright band of stars stretching across the horizon. On clear nights, especially away from city lights, you can see thousands of stars, and the galaxy's spiral arms become apparent. This view has inspired countless stories and scientific exploration throughout history. However, light pollution and urban development are making it harder for many people to experience this breathtaking display. Appreciating the beauty of the Milky Way today is essential as we consider how it might change in the future. In the field of astrophysics, the Milky Way serves as our home base for understanding galaxies. By studying it, scientists learn how galaxies form, evolve, and interact with each other. This knowledge helps us comprehend the broader universe and our place in it. The beauty and mystery of the Milky Way remind us of our small yet significant role in the vast cosmos. 2. Introduction to dark energy and universal expansion. Dark energy is a mysterious force that scientists believe makes up about 70% of the universe. It's called dark because we can't see it, but we know it's there because of its effects. Imagine blowing up a balloon. The more air you add, the bigger it gets. In a similar way, dark energy is pushing galaxies apart, causing the universe to expand. When the universe began with the Big Bang, everything was very close together. Over time, galaxies started moving away from each other, and dark energy is speeding up this process. As a result, distant galaxies are drifting farther and farther away from us. Understanding dark energy helps us grasp how our universe is changing and what the future might hold for galaxies like our own. 3. Future of the Milky Way. As the universe keeps expanding, some galaxies will move so far away that we won't be able to see them anymore. Imagine standing on a beach and watching the waves. As each wave rolls in and pulls back, it can sometimes pull things far away from you. In the same way, as galaxies travel farther into space, they move beyond the reach of our telescopes and the light we can see. Eventually, the light from these distant galaxies will take too long to reach us, or may never reach us at all. This means that in the far future, our night sky will be missing many galaxies that we can see today. It's a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing our universe really is. It's also a reminder how everything changes over time. You should too. Anyways, the Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, and this event will significantly change how we see the night sky. Imagine two clouds slowly coming together. As they merge, they create a bigger, thicker cloud. When the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, they will combine into a new galaxy over millions of years. This merger will lead to new stars forming and existing stars shifting positions. As a result, our night sky will look very different. Instead of seeing the familiar band of the Milky Way, we might see a new, bright structure filled with stars and cosmic dust. While this won't happen for about 4 billion years, it's a fascinating reminder that the universe is always changing, and our view of the night sky will evolve along with it. 4. What this means for the future of stargazing and astronomy. The potential disappearance of the Milky Way will have significant effects on how future generations experience the night sky. Without the beautiful band of stars we see today, the view will be quite different. Instead of the familiar glow of our galaxy, the night sky may appear emptier, with fewer bright features to capture our imagination. Stargazing will also change. Many people enjoy looking at the Milky Way for its beauty and the stories it tells. If it fades away, future stargazers will miss out on this incredible sight and the connection it provides to our universe. They may need to rely more on scientific tools and telescopes to explore the stars and galaxies beyond. This change might also affect how we think about our place in the universe. Without the Milky Way, we may feel more isolated, as if we are just one small dot in an even larger cosmic landscape. However, this can also inspire curiosity and a desire to explore new celestial wonders, encouraging future generations to seek knowledge and understanding of the universe in different ways. Ultimately, while the disappearance of the Milky Way will change our view of the night sky, it will also open up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. 5. Humanity's connection to the cosmos. The potential disappearance of the Milky Way could significantly alter how we view the universe and our role in it. For many people, the Milky Way has always been a constant presence in the night sky, a reminder of the vastness of space and our connection to it. If it fades from view, we might feel a sense of loss, as it represents not just a collection of stars, but also the stories, myths, and cultures tied to it. Without the Milky Way, we may begin to see ourselves as more isolated in a seemingly empty universe. The beauty and familiarity of the Milky Way have inspired generations to explore and understand the cosmos, and its absence might challenge our understanding of where we fit in the grand scheme of things. However, this change could also open up new ways of thinking. It might inspire curiosity about other galaxies and the mysteries they hold. As we lose sight of the Milky Way, we could become more focused on exploring other celestial wonders, deepening our understanding of the universe beyond our galaxy. Ultimately, while the disappearance of the Milky Way may change our perspective, it can also motivate us to seek knowledge and foster a deeper appreciation for the universe. It reminds us that the cosmos is ever-changing, and our journey to understand it is just beginning. 6th conclusion. In conclusion, the idea that the Milky Way might disappear from our night sky is not just a fascinating fact. It also changes how we see our place in the universe. For many of us, the Milky Way has always been a beautiful part of our nights, full of stories and inspiration. If it fades away, we might feel more alone in a vast universe. While it may be sad to think about losing the Milky Way, it reminds us that the universe is always changing. Our journey to learn more about it will continue. So, whether we enjoy the Milky Way now or explore new sights in the future, our adventure in understanding the universe is just beginning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your opinions.